Right guys, here we are, starting to vlog off here with pretty much got a thing at my door today, toll delivery, been dropped off to the local post office, so apparently it closes in like 45 minutes, but I'm way too excited to like not go pick it up because I've ordered a few goodies off eBay, including like a manifold and stuff for my 2J to start turbo on it, and some new rims and a few bits and pieces, and the Luke Fink Shibby sticker. So either one of them would be real nice to come in the mail. So like I'm gonna go check it out now, and if it's all good in here and open, I will obviously continue the vlog from here. But if not, it's going to be a bit of a waste of my time, but I'm sure it should be there. Yeah, inconvenient that is. I was so excited. Like, it said it closes at 7 and they're definitely closed, but like maybe with coronavirus they're open, I mean closed earlier. So that sucks, but I guess we'll find out tomorrow what it is. It just sucks, gonna wait all afternoon now. It's gonna be playing on my mind, and yeah, that's the dream. So public holiday obviously, end up going to the post office to pick up what I'm assuming is my exhaust flange, the actual flange itself to build the turbo manifold off. So I'll get home and open it up and see what it is. So we're home. Open that first layer, package it up. But yeah, I don't really know. Well, I think it's my exhaust manifold, but it's like got 4,000 layers of tape on it, so it's proven to be extremely difficult. Give me 2 seconds, I will try and open it. I actually don't know. Oh, this is really awesome trying to get this open. How much bubble wrap did someone put on here? Oh yeah. There we are. All that. So that is essentially the base of my turbo manifold now. Part number there, 2JNA, stop it. Because the, if any of you are looking at doing it, the NA head and the turbo head are different stud pattern for the exhaust manifold. Not sure about the intake manifold, but I definitely did research. Luckily my mate helped me out also to figure that out, but yeah, there it is. Seems to be pretty good quality. Not really going to open up, I'm going to leave it in the bag until I actually use it, so that's about it. Quick update on the vlog here. Just getting some more tyres changed. I've got a fair few now thanks to Carter and the boys at Tyre Power. Cressy's back on the ground. No longer on jack stands. New wheels on their way. Haven't been shipped back. Like, haven't made it in shipping yet. Still have these bad boys, but I don't know what I'll do with them. Just use them for some on the back or something else. I did have 4, but there's only 3 now, so that's what that is. I don't know if you can see, made a whole new adjuster there for the cast arm. I really need to get the tool, try and do that, but it doesn't really work. But made a new mount. Well, my dad fabbed up a new mount for the cast arm, built a new cast arm, and took it for a drive. Drove through like the rough bit of the dirt bit in the paddock. Nothing broke, nothing come off. So, what do you reckon, Carter? Success or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Very proud.
And I'll throw in a bit of a shed skid that I had to do to celebrate, because obviously, you know, you can't, I don't know, like, the camera's being gay now, but yeah, did a bit of a shed skid, and that's about it. Skyline's still sitting up there doing absolutely nothing, so Throw that in, throw some clips in of my mate and his 180, and yeah, we'll leave it at that.
We're not going anywhere, mate.
Alright, so we're out here to this little slidey boy corner to do some slidey boy things in isolation, you know, no one around. So I'm taking the advantage of it all. Obviously private road in Mexico, but we'll see what we can get done. Yeah, number fucking 1, baby! Well, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Finish up with a pizza sandwich, you know.
A pizza sandwich, you reckon?
Hit the like button, hit subscribe, throw some suggestions in the comments what I should do, what you'd like to see, and yeah.